Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Geico app drive score tracking for savings easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Geico app drive score tracking for savings, first, ensure you have the Geico mobile app downloaded on your smartphone. Open the Geico app and log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen prompts to register. Once logged in, navigate to the menu, which is typically located in the upper left or right corner. Find and tap on the Drive Easy option within the menu. You may be prompted to enable location services if it's not already activated. Follow the prompts to allow the app to access your location for accurate tracking. After enabling location services, you'll see an option to activate drive score tracking. Tap on the Activate button to turn on the drive score feature. Read through the terms and conditions, then confirm your acceptance to proceed. Once activated, you will start tracking your driving habits automatically. Monitor your drive score regularly within the app to see how your driving affects your potential savings. Be sure to check for notifications or tips provided by the app to improve your driving score. You can also review your progress and savings eligibility in your Geico dashboard. That's it. Your drive score tracking is now active, and you can start saving based on your driving behavior. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.